Open scene. Soft morning visuals. Sunrise, senior stretching, peaceful background music. Narrator. Gentle, reassuring. So we've talked about how muscle loss accelerates with age, and how 1 spoon before bed can help your muscles rebuild overnight. Now, let's take it one step further by learning what foods to add during the day to protect and rebuild your muscles naturally after 60. Because remember, your nighttime recovery depends on what you feed your body all day long.
Steak 1. Protein, the building block of strength. Your muscles are made of protein, and after 60, your body becomes less efficient at using it. That means you need a little more high-quality protein, not huge amounts, but steady portions throughout the day. Great sources include fish, like salmon or sardines, rich in protein and omega-3s to reduce inflammation. Eggs, full of muscle-building amino acids. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, especially useful in the evening. And for vegetarians, lentils, beans, and tofu are excellent options. Tip: try to get 20 to 25 grams of protein per meal. Your body will thank you for it.
2. Magnesium and potassium-rich foods for muscle repair and cramps. If you often wake up with leg cramps or muscle stiffness, your body might be low on magnesium or potassium. Both are essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Foods like bananas, spinach, pumpkin seeds, avocados, and almonds help keep your muscles relaxed and ready for movement. A simple handful of pumpkin seeds or half an avocado each day can make a real difference. 3. Antioxidant-rich foods to protect aging muscle cells. As we age, oxidative stress can damage muscle fibers. That's where antioxidants come in. They fight off that damage and protect your muscle tissue. The best options are berries, green tea, and colorful vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli. Aim for a rainbow on your plate. Each color offers a different kind of protection.
4. Healthy fats to support hormone balance. Healthy fats aren't just good for your heart, they help balance hormones that support muscle growth, like testosterone and growth hormone. Add extra virgin olive oil, nuts, chia seeds, or a few pieces of fatty fish into your meals. They keep inflammation low and your metabolism strong. 5. Hydration, the forgotten secret. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and muscle cramps. As we age, our thirst sense weakens, so we often don't realize we're low on fluids. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, or herbal teas if you prefer something warm and soothing.
A daily routine for strong muscles after 60. Here's a simple day plan to protect your muscles naturally. Morning. Start with light stretches or a short walk to activate your muscles. Breakfast. Include protein like eggs or Greek yogurt with fruit. Lunch. Add greens, lentils, or lean meat. Evening. A calm dinner with fish or tofu plus healthy fats. Before bed, that 1 spoon of Greek yogurt with honey and turmeric. Over time, you'll notice stronger legs, better balance, and more energy, all from simple, consistent care.
Open scene. Gentle sunrise glow. Calm background music. Visuals of seniors starting their day energized and smiling. Narrator, warm, uplifting voice. Now that you know the secret, how 1 small spoon before bed combined with the right foods and habits during the day can rebuild your strength naturally, it's time to put it all together. Because even after 60, 70, or 80, your body still has a powerful ability to heal, repair, and grow. You just have to give it what it needs. Consistency is the real secret. Small actions done consistently are far more powerful than big changes done once in a while. You don't need a gym membership or expensive supplements. All you need is steady movement each day, nourishing foods rich in protein and minerals, and that 1 spoon before bed to support muscle repair. Over weeks, you'll start to notice
Climbing stairs feels easier. You wake up feeling lighter and stronger. Your balance improves, and your energy throughout the day increases. These aren't miracles. They're the natural results of giving your body care and consistency.
Visuals, senior woman doing gentle yoga, man massaging shoulder, resting peacefully. Pay attention to how your body feels. If you feel soreness, it means your muscles are responding and rebuilding. If you feel fatigue, rest. Recovery is part of progress too. Gentle stretching, good sleep, and hydration all play a role in keeping your muscles flexible and healthy. Visuals, animated comparison, weak muscles turning into healthy, strong fibers. Scientists now know it's never too late to build a muscle. Even people in their 80s can gain strength and mobility by eating right and doing light movement daily. Think of your muscles like a garden. If you water them, feed them, and care for them, they grow strong again, no matter how long it's been.
A simple habit to remember. So tonight, before you go to bed, try it. Just 1 spoon of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of honey, and a small pinch of turmeric. Let your body rebuild while you rest. And in the morning, you might just notice a little extra strength in your step.